going back to our lot to go see the progress on our house. The last time we went back was like 2-ish weeks ago, and they had finally laid out the concrete, which was really exciting to see. We had a meeting with our, what would you call him?
Construction project manager.
Okay, we had a meeting with him and it went really well. Our build process, honestly, is it framed out, you think? It might have started being framed out this week or next week. It
might be like the initial, like,
yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
We've had a little bit of rain though, so I don't know. We're gonna scope it out. We're bringing the dogs today, which is cool. But anyways, we had our meeting with the construction manager or whatever you want to call him, and it went really well, except there was an error on our paperwork that says that our downstairs is all the vinyl wood planks except for our bedroom and our closet, which we explicitly said multiple times to them that we wanted everything vinyl. And I told you guys in our last vlog and in the house Q&A and everything, we hate carpet. We've told everyone about it. And so, oh, hi friend. So they make us have carpet on the upstairs. So we were already planning on ripping that out, but it's just such a bitch to have to go into now our master bedroom and closet and rip that out. So we're trying to, oh my goodness, dogs are getting crazy.
Sort that out.
We talked to the design studio lady about it, and we can get it fixed. It's just they're charging us a lot, so we're trying to see if it would just be better off to do it ourselves or what we can do. So I'll update you guys once we have an answer. But it's definitely really stressful and pretty frustrating because once we like signed our paperwork and everything, we went in thinking that the whole downstairs would be the vinyl and it would be good to go, and all we would have to do is the upstairs and our backsplash and it would be move-in ready. So we have a small obstacle, but
we'll tackle it.
Exactly. So anyways, we're gonna go see the lot and we're bringing the puppies. We thought that would be cute. I don't know. They're crazy right now, so. What are you doing over here?
Look at that.
What are you guys doing? Hi! Hi, best friend! Oh my god, are you okay? Do you wanna go for a ride? You wanna go for a ride? They already know the drill. She's so funny.
We're in the garage right now. Make my way to the bathroom.
Guys, this is our house. You're really repping her today.
I'm really repping Aspen.
But this is our house. Okay, so the only update we have so far is they put this, like, not even framing. What would you call this? I don't even know. They like mapped out like
oh yeah, where they're gonna stick the wood.
Yeah, so it's mapped out. That's where we're at right now. I think the framing will start this week.
Yeah,
I think that's the time frame. But wow, this house from behind us has really just like sprouted up overnight. So really excited because like once they start like the framing and like, you know, putting up the actual wood and then the insulation and everything, it just like, it suddenly is a house. Okay, you guys, so we have an update. The last time we went to our lot was literally like 5 freaking days ago. Today is Saturday and the last time we went was on Sunday, and when we went it was just concrete, you guys saw. And during the week, I don't even know what to call him, our property manager, I guess you would say, sent us a video of the framing. I'll insert that here.
Looky there, guys. This is a real good crew that we have on your home. You're gonna be real surprised. You need to get over here and look. First walls.
Within those few days, it's a house. It already looks like a house. So we're on our way to the lot right now. I'm so excited.
We get to walk inside.
Yeah, we get to actually go inside and take a peek.
Yep.
That's crazy. The whole house. Isn't this insane? Do you want to go inside?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, here it is.
Oh, whoa. It's so weird.
Going.
Alright, here it is. Look at our stairs. This will be our bathroom over here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Doesn't it look so much bigger?
Yeah, now it looks huge.
Now it feels like a house. Here's our special closet.
Oh yeah, our big closet. Our Harry Potter closet.
Harry Potter closet.
This will be our kitchen. Look at our island. Wow. Very nice. Here's our living room. And then our master bedroom. Kind of scary in here.
Yeah, a little bit.
This part will be our master closet, and then over here will be our bathroom. You can see, I think that's our toilet. To the patio. All right. Yeah.
I'm not liking this though, because you know it'll be like the sun setting. We'll be chilling outside. And, like,
Yeah, we're gonna have full sun because of where we're backed up. Okay, it's pretty sunny outside, but I've already decided I'm gonna have a cute little garden right here.
yeah, this is nice.
I want to get like a nice like big hanging chair for right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can get like some sort of tarp. It just covers up the sun. and
Oh,
this-
you know those ones that like you like push a button and then they come down like woo.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, we get that installed.
Yeah, I want that. Also, we got double like atrium doors for our patio, so we'll have like
Oh, I
the
just
double doors right
realized
here.
this.
Yeah, I really wanted that because I want all the sunshine in the house, and like obviously you can tell we get a lot of sun. A nice big window in the living room, which I'm also very excited about. Are we allowed up there?
Why wouldn't we be allowed?
I don't know. I'm nervous to go up the stairs. So this area will be my office. It's like a double loft sort of setup. And then here's the regular loft. Again, I'm really excited about all the lighting that we have. So here we have a little hallway.
This is our bathroom.
This will be my makeup room. Hugo's in the bathroom. And then this is the guest bedroom here.
Okay, this is good lighting.
This is good lighting.
And then, like we don't even have the sun. Like you're gonna get the sun even more because it's gonna be like coming from here,
Yeah.
coming this way. Like the sun's
Wow.
at our back. You have great lighting. Good job.
I've never had like good lighting. And like these windows are really, really nice. Big windows.
Big old window.
Here we are in the main loft area. And did you want to show them your room?
Sure. Step into my office.
Step into my office.
This is my office right here. I'm gonna have my nice L-shaped desk right here.
Oh yeah, you can see
This is where I play
outside.
games, and then this is how I work. Cause like I have an L shape, you know, so I just. turn
Yeah,
my
it's
chair.
perfect. His
Yeah.
desk will just go right along the corner here.
And I get all the window.
Yes.
I enjoy the window.
And then, oh, this is the guest bedroom. Hi guys, good morning. Hugo and I are going back to check out our lot today, which of course I'm always excited about. I think the last update from this week's vlog was 2 weeks ago. So I am really excited to see all that has changed in like that short amount of time because I swear they work so fast. We tried to go yesterday, which was a Saturday, to check it out, and there were so many people inside and outside working on our house. It was crazy to see. Obviously we didn't want to like get in the way and like try to walk around yesterday, so we're going back today to scope it out and I can't wait. We have a driveway going on. The puppers are here with us today. Our little front porch area is nice and paved. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
What is this? All of this. Not sure what it is.
Is this what they put on the wall? Oh my god, our
Our doors here. Okay, so we had upgraded to the 9-foot door, but we just got this standard 9-foot door. So we went in already thinking we were going to replace this door. I didn't even know what color it was going to be, honestly. So now that I'm looking at it, I'm not a fan. But here's our cute little window. This is not our window that I just showed you. It's our atrium doors, and these will go right there. Some in the master as well. Our little windows.
I see all the wiring. Interesting.
Yeah, okay, so the wiring is new. Pretty cool to see. Also, is that the air conditioner?
Yeah, all the vents.
So all of the vents are being ran through. Looks pretty crazy right now. Okay, and also in the bathroom, I forgot what they said this was. They're like testing to make sure it doesn't flood or something, right?
I don't remember.
I don't remember. It's some sort of water test. More wiring all throughout. Look at the cuties in the car. Okay, so here's what the upstairs looks like. More of these like fire guard wall things. This is the little loft. Nice. Oh look, our attic string is up.
Yeah, I'm not pulling it.
Hell no. More of the vents you can see. Also the progress on the spare bath. We did the very, very basic bath for this room. Also doing like the standing water test. I don't know what it is, but anyways, pretty cool to see this bathroom kind of getting mapped out. Okay, hi, hello. We just left the house. I got some Starbucks. Pups are still with me, but I wanted to give you a wrap-up update on what's been going on. So the big things that happened this week was obviously the vents, the electrical. The walls I think are going up pretty soon because they're like all throughout the house, so that will probably happen next week, which is going to be awesome. And then I think they start installing the doors and windows. I'm not 100% sure. I'm just basing that off of seeing the other houses built around us, but all very exciting things, and I can't wait to see where we're at in the next vlog. So anyways, just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.